I'm Julia Bodin. I am a environmental engineer by training, and I started working on plastic pollution when I went to Israel for my master's project at the end of my studies. For this project, of course, I had to learn to dive, and by diving, I discovered the horror of plastic pollution in the Red Sea, which really triggered me and generated in me the desire to have a project that would have an impact on this pollution one way or another. In 2018, I created Let's Talk Waste. This project's mission is to cut plastic pollution at the source of our consumption habits. The Catalyst Lab has helped me put together a new project for Let's Talk Waste, which will be called Future of Waste. And that project will focus on creating more collaboration and more knowledge within the waste generation ecosystem. We are having a systemic change approach with this project because we feel that it is very important to talk about waste on every level of the ecosystem. And that starts with research, with innovation, product production, and then, of course, distribution, consumption, and treatment. I feel that at this point, we are having the discussion only on a stakeholder level. So like the retailers are having that discussion, the waste treatment people are having that discussion, but we're not having that discussion on the system level, which is a problem because if we talk about, for example, circular economy, we have to talk about it on the systemic level. We have to have a holistic approach. Otherwise, we're not able to achieve lesser impact and complete circular economy. So the Catalyst Lab has an approach to change, which is very different from the one that I used to have. So it's looking really at systemic change in the sense of not trying to change just one side of the stakeholder panel, but actually having a systemic, holistic approach. And it was difficult for me to see and conceive that before the Catalyst Lab, and now it's much more approachable for me. And I'm seeing how the methods that I'm learning about in the Catalyst Lab could actually help create, I don't know if to say a safe space, but to create a space where multi-stakeholders can come and meet on the same level and listen and hear each other about the different challenges that they have on any topic to move forward.